Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 31st, 2020. We're going to talk about this particular stock, Starbucks, and why this particular stock is showing signs of a buy signal, all by looking at the price chart. Now, before I get started in that, this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then join us on our other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, even on our own website, HueFinancial.com, because it's our premise and our purpose to continually give you all a heads up as to where the trap is trying to take the value of these many products in the market. Make sure you do that because this is simplistic and understanding visually as well as verbally. Okay, so do that. So in actuality, we haven't done a video on Starbucks since January the 12th, 2019. There is a playlist on this platform of that one video that we did, and you could check it out. It's still there, not hiding anything from you, but this particular video is an update to that and as to why we're still seeing indications of market strength from the trap. Okay, now first thing we're going to do is we're going to straighten up this price chart. You guys can see we had two lines drawn in our chart, and based off where Starbucks is trading at right now, those lines needs to be adjusted. So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, let me zoom out, and I wanted to show you the trend that Starbucks has been in. Okay, like I said, we didn't do a video in Starbucks all the way back since this particular time, January of 2019, right? And we tracked the market in Starbucks. And what do you see that has occurred into the market that confirmed the continuation of strength for this particular product? Is right here where the market in Starbucks came and touched this trend, this long-term trend into the market. This was the signal in Starbucks that the market was still going to obey the movement higher in price. It's that simple. If anyone continually watched the market in Starbucks, you guys would have seen that the moment that the market touched that line, that was an indication that strength has entered into the space and that the movement higher is going to occur. And look at the market now. We're already up here trading around $85. So this line, this ascending line, is still in play. It is still playing an active role into the value of where the market's going to go. So we're not going to get rid of it, but we will get rid of this particular line right here to where Starbucks was acting as restriction back in 2015 and then once again in 2017. But the market is so far away from there, we don't really need to have that line there. So let's get rid of it. Okay, so the market is still, for the most part, in a massive uptrend. Look at this. That's just fantastic to continue to see this market in Starbucks continue to show higher price, right? Now, this particular chart, this time frame, the monthly aspect of the market is where I wanted to emphasize to you how we're still seeing the strength into this space. And it's right here. Look at the month of August. We got a day and 3 hours left, and Starbucks was able to close at the high of the bar. Now, that continues to go on with what occurred the last 3 months, to where the market, it got some weakness, but the trap held it up. So that lets us know that the market trap is still trying to increase the value of Starbucks stocks. That's it. It's that simple. So for the long term, we're still seeing hints that he or she wants to continually increase the value of this stock. Now, take a look at this as well. Okay, this is another sense and hint that he or she wants to continue to increase the value. Look at this. This particular level right here played a very crucial role as to whether or not this stock is going to go higher and lower. When you look at the market back here for October, November, December, we closed above $85, right? Or $84.25. Look at August. We are closing above that particular area. There, once again, you can see that this particular market wants to go higher in price. So just looking at this from a long-term perspective, you're getting indications that the market in Starbucks wants to continue to go higher, and we're going to continue to play that out in this space. Now the question is, how high do you think the market is going to go in Starbucks? Can it go to $87.50? Can it even go to $90? That is yet to be determined, but we can still get the general sentiment of the market that, yeah, it wants to go higher. And that's how we're going to continue to play this forecast out in the market in Starbucks. Okay. Looking at the market on the daily time frame, Starbucks has been in a very slow increase. And that also lets you know that the market is calm, it is steady, and it's not erratic. It is simply continually show you that we're taking our time to continue to increase the value of this product one share at a time. It's not in a hurry to quickly increase the value of Starbucks. Okay. Now, based off how we close on the monthly and the weekly time frame, it's definitely feasible to see the market trap increase the value of Starbucks back here around $87.50. That's very plausible. That is something that can literally happen. Also, when you continue to see the majority of the market make all-time highs seemingly on a daily basis, the Fed continues to pump money into the economy. That money has to go somewhere, and it's going into the markets. Everything is being propped up. Everything is increasing in value, whether it's silver, whether it's gold, whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's stocks, whether it's real estate. The market continues to show increase in value because the Fed injected trillions of dollars into the market. So with that being mentioned, it's not even out the realm of possibility to see Starbucks come all the way back up to around $90 per share. So yeah, all of that is the reason why we're going to play a forecast into the market to see this particular product go higher in price. So let's do that. We're not going to play this on the daily, but rather let's do it on the weekly time frame. Okay. So like I said, we're going to do a forecast into the market for Starbucks to see higher price. Okay. And we need to see the trap continually hold some support. I would say around $81, maybe 80, give or take. So let's bring it down just a tad. Okay. Now I told you when I looked at the market on the daily time frame, $87.50 would be restriction. Very plausible. But given the spread of this weekly price bar, I really don't see the market actually trying to hold that area for restriction. So around $90. Okay. That's how we're going to play the market in Starbucks. We're going to continue to play some strength into the market. TP would be around $87.50. Next area would be around 90, maybe even $91.25. It's that simple. So this is our forecast into the market where we're expecting the trap to take Starbucks. Now it's your turn. Where do you see the market in Starbucks going? Do you see it as a buy? Do you see it as a sell? And if so, give us your TP area. Where's your take profit location at? Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. I'll talk to you all on the next one.